Calculate number of Sundays in the month. In Microsoft Excel I am looking to determine the number of Sundays in any given month. I am putting together a budget spreadsheet and some of the sub-accounts get extra funding when 5 Sundays are in the month instead of 4. The only cell I have to reference is the title of the sheet, which is in cell A1 and equals the current month. For example, June 1st, 2014.
Try this where A1 is the starting date of the month. You can also use this for any day of the week. Just change sun and any date range by replacing A1 with start date and O month A1, 0 with end date.
If the date you mention is always the first of the month, then this one will also work.
Very similar to a previous answer, but just a little bit cleaner.
Edit. This works in Excel 2016. Not sure when networkdays.international was introduced.
I believe I've found yet another way to skin this cat, so to speak. If you want to avoid entering dates and have a large sheet for projection, 18 months out for example, then you could instead just tell the formula what your month and year are, and have it formatted accordingly. This joined with an absolute reference to a header cells which contains the day of the week in question, and you have a much more compact and cleaner table, in my opinion. A3 equals Jan, B3 equals 2017, C2 colon I2 equals 3 char day abbreviation, i.e. sun. Enter formula into cell C3. Happy hunting!
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.